Welcome to Constitutor channel. So this is our Microsoft Excel VBA macro video tutorial series. So today is the second day. So from my previous video I discussed with you about the input box, how to use input box in VBA plus MS Excel. So today my lesson is variables. So how to deal with variables in Microsoft Excel VBA or Visual Basics for Excel. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe Accounts Tutor YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Then first of all we have to look at what is variable. Actually variable is a named memory location used to hold a value that can be changed during the script execution. So that is what we call variable. We use variable to store a value. So that is why we use variables in coding. We have to use variables for different purposes. Then in VBA, when you declare a variable, you have to keep in mind these points. So what are the rules of naming variables? So first one is you must use the letter as the first character, and the second one is you cannot use a space, period or exclamation mark or characters like at, $mark, hash in the name. And your name can't exceed 255 character in length. You cannot use Visual Basic reserved keywords as variables. So you have to keep these points in your mind when you declare a variable in VBA. In VBA, you need to declare variable before using them. When it comes to programming languages like Python, you don't want to declare variables, but when it becomes VBA, you have to declare variables first. And also there are data types when it comes to variables. So please check video description. So there I have included all data types. So my first example is I would like to show you how to use or how to declare an integer in your VBA code. So therefore I want to go to my VBA editor. To go to VBA editor, as I earlier explained, click on the developer tab, then click on the Visual Basic. Then I want to use the existing what we call module. So now, as I told you from my first example, I'll show you how to use integer, how to declare variable, and especially this time integer. So this is my code sub VBA underscore code. Just say code. So there now I am going to declare my integer dim score as what integer. Right, now I declared a variable. So therefore I declare variable dim score as integer. So my variable name is score. Okay. Then I want to equal my score to 100. Then I want to call my what we call variable like this, message box Asoka scored close quotation mark, then and declare, then you have to give the variable name score. So that's all. Now let's run the code. Yeah, you can see Ashok is scored 100. So that is how you should declare an integer. So here score is an integer, so I equal in my variable value to 100. Then it comes from a message. Then it was when the message book pop up percent, score will show, for example, like this one, right? Message scored, so Ashok is scored 100. So that is how it works. Then the next example is how to declare. Let's see how to declare what we call string. How to declare a string. Now I'll delete these things. VBA, just say VBA code underscore string. Okay, string. Then dim str name. So str name as string. Dim str name as string. Then str name or my variable name is equal to accounts tutor. Right? Accounts tutor. Then range A1 to A10. This is the cell range. Close inverted commas and close the bracket. Equals what? Accounts tutor. So what happens? Now A1 to A10 cell range will copy this name, my variable name. Save, and I want to run the code. Yes, you can see A1 to A10 cell range. The given string variable name is printed like this. Yes, now that is how you have to use string. Then let's see how to use date as a variable. This is example 3. Then VBA code underscore date. Okay, then dim, again I want to declare dim VBA, dim VBA, sorry, dim DOB, date of birth as date. Right. Then my variable, it means DOB, date of birth, equals 25th of May 1983, my birth date. Then my MSG, message box, I was born on close inverted commas, then and here variable name, date of birth. That's all. Save and run the code. You can see I was born on this is the date, 25th May 1983. So that is how you have to use. That is how variable date is assigned as a variable. Then fourth example is Boolean. So how to use Boolean? How to declare Boolean? Just say VBA code Boolean. Then dim. Here I am going to declare dim the gender as Boolean. Right, I declare my Boolean variable as b gender. Then we can write logic if b gender equals false. Sorry. So directly I want to write here b gender equals false. Then the condition if b gender equals true, then range, okay, A1 equal male, okay, else range within inverted commas A1 close inverted commas and brackets equal female close inverted commas, then ending. Now that is how the Boolean is used and as a variable. So now let's save and run. Here what happened? Here b gender equals false. If b gender true, then range A1 male, else A1 range A1 female, ending. So that is how Boolean. So that is how Boolean works. Yes. Now the final one, it is long. So how to use long? So earlier we used integer. Now we have to use long. So long refers to what we call 8 bytes of space to store number. So that is what happens here. Then let's see an example in Boolean, sub VBA code underscore long, then dim distance. This is our variable name, dim distance as long. Dim distance as long. Now distance equals 138 32000, right? Then MSG, message box, distance between the North Pole and the South Pole is open inverted commas, and now we have to give what we called our variable name distance and meter. So that's all. Now save the code. Now you can run. Yeah, now it gives under message box distance between North Pole and South Pole is our value. So that is how long works as a variable. Long, how to use long as a variable. So data type long as a variable. So now I think it is clear to you how to use variables in VBA in Excel. So if you need any clarification, please put a comment under video comment section. Then I think the application of variable is clear to you. So let's meet in another VBA Excel lesson very soon. So that is it for today. So thank you very much. Goodbye.